Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're seeing the SS06 error and Snapchat won't let you log in or says your device is banned, this usually happens due to repeated violations, location issues, or VPN usage. There are a few things you can try to help Snapchat recognize that you're a legitimate user. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or Android and scroll down to Apps. Find and tap on Snapchat. Then go to Location. Make sure Location Access is set to While using the app and turn Precise Location on. This helps Snapchat verify that you're logging in from your normal location and not somewhere suspicious. Next, go back to the main settings screen and tap on General. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management and check if a VPN is enabled. If you're using a VPN, turn it completely off. VPNs can make it look like you're logging in from another country, which often triggers the SS06 error. After that, swipe down from the top of your screen and turn Wi-Fi off so your phone connects to your local mobile network instead. This further helps Snapchat confirm your real location. Once this is done, open Snapchat again and try logging in with your username and password. Keep in mind, Snapchat states that if your device is permanently banned, support cannot remove the ban. If these steps don't work, it likely means the device itself has been blocked and there is no official workaround. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. So that's all for this video. Thanks.